Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given the equation y is equal to 0.56 x plus 27.2, and we're asked what is the meaning of the number 0.56 in the equation. So before we look at any information about the high school and all that, let's just say if we're not giving any information, what does 0.56 mean? Well, if you look at this as y equals mx plus b, 0.56 correlates with m, which is the slope or the rate of change. So 0.56 is the rate of change of y as x changes. Okay, and it's of y, since y is the dependent variable here. So it's of y as x changes. We have y in terms of x. Think about it in terms of independent, dependent, or y in terms of x. Either way, it's the rate of change of y as x changes. Now, we can take this, and this interpreted through the information we're given about the situation is going to give us our final answer. So 0.56 equals the rate of change of y. Well, what is y? Well, this is modeling the average number of students per classroom, where y is the average number of students per classroom. So it's the rate of change of the average number of students as x changes. What is x? X is the number of years since 2000, so as time changes, right? X is the number of years, that's just a unit of time. So 0.56 is the rate of change of the average number of students as time changes, and it's in students per year, since we're representing number of years. So, which of these answers lines up with it? Well, C, we have the estimated increase in the average number of students per classroom each year. So it's basically saying the same thing, except it's specifying that the rate of change here is an increase. And we know that because the slope is positive. If it was negative, it would be a decrease, but an increase and a decrease is still the rate of change. So this is going to be our final answer, C. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.